If Microsoft Word is showing error code 0x0, that's 0. Don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can usually solve the problem fast. This issue can happen when Word or Office has a temporary glitch, a service gets stuck, or the installation needs a quick repair. The good news is, you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes without needing any advanced tools. If this tutorial helps you, go ahead and hit that like button, and make sure you subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you should do is restart your PC. This may sound basic, but a full restart can clear temporary errors that are causing Microsoft Word to fail. So save anything else you have open, restart your computer, and wait until Windows fully loads back up. Once your desktop appears, try opening Microsoft Word again and see if the error is gone. In many cases, this alone can fix the issue if it was caused by a temporary system or app glitch. If the error still appears, the next step is to restart the Microsoft Office Click to Run service. This service helps Office apps run properly in the background, and if it gets stuck, Word may not launch correctly. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key at the same time to open the Run box. Then type services.msc and press Enter. This will open the services window. Now scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Office Click to Run service. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose Restart. Give it a few seconds to stop and start again. Then close the services window and open Word once more to test it. This step often fixes Office-related launch errors when the background service has stopped responding. If Word is still not working, the third fix is to run a quick repair on Microsoft Office. This is a very effective method because it checks your Office installation for problems and repairs damaged files without taking too long. To start, open Control Panel on your PC, then go to Programs and click on Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs, find Microsoft Office. Click on it once to highlight it, then choose Change at the top. A repair window should appear, and from there, select Quick Repair. After that, click Repair and wait for the process to finish. Depending on your system, this may take a few minutes, so just let it complete fully. When it's done, restart your computer if needed, then launch Microsoft Word again and check whether the error code 0x0 is fixed. Usually, one of these 3 methods will resolve the issue. If the problem was temporary, a restart may be enough. If Office's background service was stuck, restarting Click to Run can clear it. And if there were corrupted Office files, the quick repair option should take care of that for you. If Word still shows the same error after trying all 3 steps, you may need to check for Windows updates, update Microsoft Office, or reinstall Office as a last resort. But in most cases, the steps in this video are enough to get Word working again. If this tutorial saved you time, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes, simple walkthroughs, and step-by-step computer tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.